Welcome to my comprehensive review of Manager, an all-in-one accounting software that aims to streamline bookkeeping and financial management for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or managing a larger operation, Manager offers an impressive array of features designed to simplify the often complex world of accounting. We'll begin by looking at the interface. When you first log in, you'll notice a clean, intuitive layout. The dashboard provides a clear snapshot of your financial health, including income, expenses, and cash flow, all neatly categorized. Navigation is straightforward, with menus and tools logically arranged, making it easy for even first-time users to get started. Manager supports multi-currency accounting, a game-changer for businesses dealing with international clients. You can effortlessly manage transactions in different currencies, with exchange rates automatically applied. The software also provides robust reporting tools, allowing you to generate detailed financial statements, including profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. One of the standout features is its inventory management. Manager enables you to track inventory levels, costs, and even profits per item. This is particularly useful for retail businesses and wholesalers. Moreover, it offers comprehensive payroll management, including tax calculations, employee payslips, and deductions, ensuring compliance with local regulations. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These are great tools to further optimize your business operations, so be sure to check them out after watching the video. Another highlight is Manager's flexibility. It's available as both a desktop application and a cloud-based solution, catering to users who prefer local storage or need remote access. The desktop version is free, which is a rare find in the accounting software market, though premium features are available for those needing advanced capabilities. Security is a priority with Manager, especially for the cloud version. Data encryption and regular backups provide peace of mind, ensuring your financial information remains safe. The customer support is responsive and helpful, with a robust knowledge base and community forums available for additional guidance. There are a few limitations worth noting. While the software is feature-rich, its interface might feel a bit dated to some users accustomed to modern, visually dynamic platforms. Additionally, while the desktop version is free, some might find the pricing for cloud features slightly higher compared to competitors. Overall, Manager is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable accounting tool that balances features, affordability, and ease of use. It's particularly well-suited for small businesses and freelancers who want a robust solution without a steep learning curve. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tutorials on business tools. Your support helps me create more content to help you succeed. See you in the next video.